Before we begin today, I want to ask you something very simple. Please don't answer quickly. Please don't answer with just one word. Just think about it slowly inside your mind. How was your week? Not how it looks on the outside, not how you tell other people, but how it really felt inside you. Some weeks feel heavy. Some weeks feel quiet. Some weeks feel long and tiring, and some weeks pass so fast that we don't even notice them. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where we learn English slowly, clearly, and naturally. I'm Emma, and I'm here with you today.
Hello, Emma, and hello to everyone listening, whether you are at home, at work, on the bus, or maybe resting after a long day. My name is Davy, and I'm very happy to be here with you.
I'm happy too, Davy. Talking about our week feels very human.
Yes, because everyone has a week, and every week leaves a feeling.
Davy, when you think about your week, what is the first feeling that comes to your mind?
The first feeling is tired.
Tired. That's very honest. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, this week took a lot of energy from me. Every day I had something to do, something to think about, something to finish.
Did you feel tired only in your body or also in your mind?
Both. My body felt slow and my mind felt full.
That sounds like a very full week.
Yes, but I also feel something else.
What do you feel?
I feel proud.
Proud? That's interesting. Why do you feel proud?
Because even when I felt tired, I didn't stop. I kept going. I finished my work. I took care of my responsibilities.
That's a very important feeling. Many people feel tired, but they forget to feel proud.
Yes, sometimes we only see what we didn't do. We forget to see what we did do.
That's true. So your week was tiring, but also meaningful.
Exactly.
Let's go back to the beginning. How was your Monday?
Monday was difficult.
What made Monday difficult for you?
I woke up feeling heavy. My alarm rang, but my body didn't want to move.
That happens to many people.
Yes, when I got out of bed, I already felt behind.
Behind?
Yes, like the week was already moving faster than me.
How did you manage that feeling?
I moved slowly. I didn't rush too much. I drank coffee and tried to breathe.
How about Tuesday?
Tuesday was a little better.
What changed?
I understood my tasks more clearly. I knew what I needed to do first and what could wait.
That clarity helps a lot.
Yes, when I know what to do, my stress becomes smaller.
Did you still feel busy?
Yes, but it was a calm kind of busy.
What about Wednesday?
Wednesday was the hardest day.
What happened on Wednesday?
Many small problems happened at the same time. Messages from work, questions from people, tasks that needed quick answers.
That can be overwhelming.
Yes, my head felt full. I felt impatient. I felt like I had no quiet space in my mind.
How did you deal with that stress?
I stopped for a moment. I closed my eyes. I took a deep breath.
Did Thursday feel different?
Yes, Thursday felt calmer.
Why do you think that happened?
I slept better the night before, and sleep changes everything.
That's very true.
When I woke up, my mind felt clearer. I was more patient with people.
What did you do on Thursday?
I finished an important task, something I worried about all week.
How did that make you feel?
Relieved, like a weight was gone.
Many people love Friday. How did you feel on Friday?
I felt lighter.
In what way?
The pressure was lower. I knew the weekend was close.
Did your work change on Friday?
Not really, but my mindset changed.
Mindset is powerful.
Yes, the same work feels easier when you know rest is coming.
Let's talk about the weekend now. How was your Saturday?
Saturday was calm and slow.
What did you do on Saturday?
I woke up without an alarm. I stayed in bed for a while. I didn't rush.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, I ate breakfast slowly. I cleaned my space. I watched videos and relaxed.
How did your body feel?
My body finally rested.
How about Sunday?
Sunday was quiet.
What did you do?
I spent time with my family. We talked about simple things. We shared a meal.
How did that make you feel?
Grateful. It reminded me that life is not only about work.
Davy, what did this week teach you?
This week taught me to listen to myself.
Can you explain that?
When I feel tired, I need to rest. When I feel stressed, I need to slow down.
That's an important lesson.
Yes, my week showed me my limits and my strength.
Now let's connect the past to the present. Tell me something you have learned this week.
I have learned that rest is necessary.
That's true.
I have realized that I don't need to be perfect. Doing my best is enough.
That realization can change your life.
We have learned that balance matters.
If you are listening right now, think about your own week. Maybe it was busy. Maybe it was stressful. Maybe it was quiet.
Every week has value.
Even hard weeks teach us lessons.
And good weeks give us energy.
Learning English is very similar to a week. Some days you feel confident. Some days you feel slow.
Some days English feels easy. Some days it feels difficult.
But if you continue, week after week, you will improve. Slow progress is still progress. Before we finish today, we have one question for you. How was your week?
Write your answer in the comments. Use simple English.
If you are learning English step by step, week by week, subscribe and learn with us.
You are not alone on this journey.
Thank you for listening today.
See you next time.
Bye for now. Keep learning.